Ora è il turno del team 4 Nexair.
Air pollution is one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. In Europe, it causes over 400,000 deaths every year because of health issues. From urban smog to invisible household pollutants, the air we breathe is under constant threat. Our solution, Nexair, an advanced air purification system designed to combat air pollution at its source. Using a graphene-enhanced filter, experimental technology which removes harmful particles, providing clean, breathable air for a healthier life. Our device integrates perfectly into the urban fabric and operates on two fronts. It purifies the air locally and collects real-time certifiable environmental data. This enables public authorities to measure impact, produce transport reports, and adjust their environmental strategies accordingly. Our solutions aligns with key urban sustainability goals and is structured to be eligible for public fundings, including national recovery plans and European programs. In this sense, it is a B2G technology by design, both for government use to support concrete, scalable, and data-driven environmental policies. Here you can see Oxysphere. First, the polluted air enters the device through two side grills, driven by an high-pressure axial fan. Once inside, it passes through our graphene-enhanced filter. But here comes our real game changer. Unlike existing outdoor solutions, which demand frequent filter replacements, Nexair utilizes an internal regeneration process. By briefly heating the graphene ceramic filter up to 300 degrees, the contaminants are completely eliminated. In order to prevent hypertemperatures on the outer surface, the device has a three-layer sandwich structure. The inner layer is made of stainless steel, the outer one of aluminium, and in the middle there is a ceramic fiber layer, which has an extremely low thermal conductivity. Our innovation is decentralization. Traditional purifiers often miss the crucial point. Pollutants impact people the most in concentrated hotspots. We do not aim at cleaning large zones of the city's air, but we want to tackle pollution where it is really needed, such as bus stops, playgrounds, and intersections. In these crowded places, fine particles concentrations can be up to 400% higher than in the city's average. With Nexair, we're creating clean air bubbles all across the city, targeting pollution in the exact spaces where people live, wait, and breathe. With our self-cleaning graphene ceramic filter, we can guarantee low maintenance by having less technician visits, no downtime, and no regular filter replacements. Nexair literally cleans itself, drastically simplifying maintenance logistics and costs. Traditional filters typically require replacement every 6 months. Our filter can last up to 4.7 years.
I have a question. First of all, thank you for teaching in English.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. It sounds very, very interesting, but how do you plan to reach out to those B2G, the B2G business? How do you manage to reach out to those municipalities and introduce your solution and get their feedback whether they need it or not?
Okay, so the aim of our project is to purify air, and for these reasons there are a lot of investors that like PNRR in Italy or European funds that can help us to build our device in order to clean air. So we can start from even a small city. I don't know. We had a plan to start the project in Naples, Milan, and Frosinone. I don't know. And starting from these three cities, we want to improve and I don't know, maybe cover all Italy. So starting from public investors, we make our company known, then we expand in all the world.
I wish you good luck with that.
Thank you.
The thing is that how do you get, even to start in Naples, how do you start that? How do you reach out to the municipality? How do you make sure that they allow you to deploy your device in those crowded places? This is something that should be more clarified because it's quite difficult to do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.